Why have a tech-free evening routine?
A tech-free evening can help you unwind, sleep better, and reduce stress. Screens emit blue light, which can disrupt your body's natural sleep rhythm. Constant notifications and digital distractions may also make it harder to relax. By setting aside your devices, you signal to your mind and body that it's time to slow down and recharge.
How do I get started?
Begin by choosing a realistic, tech-free window. Start with 30 minutes before bed. Let family or roommates know about your plan. Silence notifications and set devices aside in another room if possible. The key is consistency, not perfection. Try this for a few days and adjust your routine as needed.
What activities replace screen time?
Swap screens for calming activities that help your mind unwind. Read a physical book or magazine, journal your thoughts, listen to soothing music, or practice light stretching. You can also try meditation, drawing, or spending time connecting with loved ones without digital distractions.
How can I avoid the temptation to check my phone?
Make it easier by placing devices out of reach or in another room. Use a traditional alarm clock instead of your phone for waking up. You can also set app limits or activate Do Not Disturb mode. Remind yourself of the benefits you're aiming for and have tech-free alternatives ready for those moments of temptation.
What if I need technology in the evening?
If you must use devices, try to minimize exposure and make it intentional. Turn on blue light filters, dim your screen, and avoid engaging with stressful or work-related content. Once you've finished, put your device away and return to your tech-free evening routine. Flexibility can help you maintain your new habits long-term.